Hi guys, welcome to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Today's video I'll be making this lovely bag here. It's a 5-color bag. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button for more updates. So this is the part 1 of this video, so please guys watch out for the second part of this video. So first thing first, you just have to bring out your pattern. Yeah, so the measurement is there for you guys to work with. The flap, the upper base, the back, the front, and also the width of the bag. So this particular video is a well-detailed video for beginners too, so please guys watch this video from beginning to the end. Guys, this is the inner layer of the bag, which is chipboard. I'll be making use of chipboard for the inner parts, and I'll be making use of Tex leatherboard for the outer part of this particular bag. Now I've applied gum to the leatherboard. I'm just going to glue it to this particular foam. The foam here this is not a thick foam. It's not thick at all, so if you want to do yours, you don't need a very thick foam. You just need a light foam to make your own bag. So guys, the next thing is just to fold the edge of my fabric. I'm making use of fabric and leather, fabric and pure leather for this job. So I'm just going to glue my fabric, just like this, and after gluing it, I'm just going to stitch it. Guys, time to glue my fabric to my leatherboard. So I'm through gluing the fabric. The next thing is just to take the front part of the bag and also glue my fabric to the leatherboard. Guys, this is the handle aspect, so I make use of 10.5. Don't use 15 inches. I make use of 10.5 for the length of the rope. So I'm going to be making use of hand stitch for the handle aspect. So basically guys, just make it all to your fabric or leather, whatever material, and just put your pipe at the middle and glue them together before using your needle to unstitch the handle of the bag. I'm through stitching the undo, so I'm just going to make a hole to the upper base of my bag, and I'm just going to use my puncher to punch the hole and fix my undo to the hole. Guys, you can see how beautiful the undo looks, looking very beautiful. So the next thing to do now is to glue the fabric to the leather board. I'm through with the handle aspect. I'm just going to go to the inner part, to the interior of my bag. For the interior, I'll be making use of fabric and the fabric of the flap, and also mat. Mat is a fabric, so you can get this at Lagos Nigeria Market, Mushin. So I'm just going to glue my flap. You know, just cut the flap and the upper base together. You cut it out for the interior aspect, the inner part of your bag. Guys, I'm through cutting out the flap aspect, the outer and the inner part of the flap. So I'm just going to use the remaining leather board to bring out the shape of the down part, which is the back part of the inner part. So I'm not going to be using any leather board with it. I'm just using it to sketch it out. So I'm just going to cut out the material and, you know, glue it to the flap aspect and stitch them together. But before that, I will have to, you know, bring out my inner purse, which is the pocket aspect, the zip pocket aspect. So I'm also going to be working on the back pocket. For the back pocket, I'll be making use of a synthetic material. So I'm just going to glue my fabric to my synthetic material and also cut out the fabric and glue it on top of it. You know, please guys, watch this aspect carefully. You will love it. It's very well detailed. Please watch it for better understanding. Now I'm going to be stitching my back pocket to the back body of my bag by using my flatbed machine. Now this is the inner part pocket where I'll be making use of my zip. Guys, please pay attention to this aspect for those that don't know how to make use of, or that don't know how to make zip pockets. This is the easy and a simple method for you guys to to learn from. So you're just going to apply your gum to, after cutting the zip, you're going to apply your gum and fold it. So the measurement is just 2 inches. I'm through with the pocket aspect, so I'm just going to stitch the front part of my bag. I'm just going to attach my mat lining to it and stitch together. And this is the inner part of the bag, so I'm just going to stitch both the mat and the fabric together. Guys, this is the end of the part 1. Please watch out for the second phase of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and click on the notification button. I love you all and God bless you.